Something big is coming, and it's not just another iPad. It's Apple's next technological flex, the long-awaited M5 iPad Pro, a device that might just redefine what a tablet can be. Imagine a product so sleek, so powerful, and so advanced that it blurs the line between laptop and tablet completely. The tech world is already buzzing, and if the latest leaks are true, Apple isn't holding anything back this time. From next-gen performance to OLED perfection, the M5 iPad Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Apple releases in years. And here's everything we know so far. So before you blink and miss it, let's dive deep into what's about to shake the iPad lineup forever. According to multiple reliable insiders, Apple has been quietly preparing the M5 iPad Pro for an official reveal as early as fall 2025, likely in October, right alongside the new M5 MacBook Pro lineup. That's right. The next wave of Apple Silicon is almost here, and this time it's all about refinement, power, and efficiency at a level we've never seen before. The M5 chip, built on an even smaller and faster fabrication node, is rumored to deliver jaw-dropping performance. Gains? We're talking up to 12%. Faster CPU speeds and more than 30% GPU improvements, compared to the M4. Early benchmark leaks show it. Scoring over 4,100 in single-core performance. That's faster than most desktop chips available today, including some versions of Intel's Core Ultra line. This means smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and next-level gaming performance that could easily rival dedicated gaming laptops. But performance isn't the only thing making headlines. The design might look familiar, but it's more refined than ever. Apple is reportedly sticking with the ultra-slim, precision-engineered aluminum chassis introduced in the M4 version, but with subtle tweaks that make it feel even more premium. Expect razor-thin bezels, perfectly symmetrical edges, and that signature Apple minimalism. But this time paired with an OLED display that pushes visual quality into new territory. Samsung and LG are said to be handling OLED panel production, and insiders claim the brightness, contrast, and color depth will be the best ever seen on an iPad. Imagine deep blacks, punchy colors, and buttery smooth animations, powered by a 120Hz ProMotion display that feels alive under your fingertips. For artists, designers, and creators, this display could be a dream, especially when paired with the upcoming Apple Pencil 3, rumored to bring advanced pressure sensitivity and haptic feedback for the first time ever. Now, one of the more intriguing rumors surrounding the M5 iPad Pro involves its front camera setup. Some leaks show a second front-facing camera or an additional sensor, sparking speculation that Apple might finally enable simultaneous portrait and landscape FaceTime optimization. That means no more awkward camera angles during video calls, whether you're holding your iPad vertically or docking it horizontally. It could also mean improved AR capabilities or even gesture-based controls, because when Apple adds extra sensors, it's rarely for something small. On the rear, the M5 iPad Pro will likely keep its 12-megapixel main camera and LiDAR scanner combo, offering top-tier AR and depth mapping for creators. But insiders say Apple might introduce a new image signal processor that significantly boosts low-light performance and HDR quality. But let's talk power, not just in performance but endurance. Apple's efficiency game is about to hit new heights with the M5 chip. Using a refined 3nm plus process, the M5 is expected to deliver longer battery life, cooler operation, and consistent peak performance even under heavy load. Some sources claim the new iPad could last up to 15 hours on a single charge. That's nearly 2 full workdays for most users. Combine that with iPadOS 19, yes, iPadOS 19, rumored to bring desktop-class multitasking, customizable widgets, and enhanced external display support. And we might finally be looking at an iPad that replaces your laptop for real. And speaking of displays, there's also talk of a new smart magnetic connector that allows the iPad to instantly switch modes when attached to accessories like the Magic Keyboard or Apple's upcoming Magic Dock, transforming it into a full-on portable workstation. Imagine pulling out your iPad, snapping it onto a magnetic stand, and instantly having a Mac-like desktop experience. Same speed, same smoothness, but with the flexibility of a tablet. Apple has been slowly moving toward this hybrid future, and the M5 iPad Pro could be the final step before we see iPadOS merge even closer to macOS. But wait, there's more. Several reports suggest Apple is testing a new wireless chip for the M5 iPad Pro, supporting Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 for faster connectivity and lower latency. That means instant file transfers, smoother AirDrop sessions, and lag-free streaming, even in crowded environments. Combine that with the possibility of satellite connectivity, yes, satellite, and this iPad could remain connected even in areas with no Wi-Fi or cellular coverage. And when you think about Apple's focus on AI, it's almost certain that the M5 chip will come with a much stronger neural engine. Expect faster on-device AI features, like live transcription, real-time translation, photo background replacement, and adaptive battery management, all happening without sending your data to the cloud. Privacy meets performance, and that's exactly the narrative Apple loves to push. Now, while leaks show no major design overhaul, insiders emphasize subtle refinements that make a big difference. Slightly flatter edges, more durable glass coating to reduce fingerprints, and potentially a new titanium-finished model for the premium version. And yes, the pricing is likely going up. Sources predict the base model could start around $1,299, with higher-end variants going up to $1,099, especially for the OLED 14-inch model. It's expensive, no doubt, but Apple's strategy is clear. Premium product, premium price, premium experience. And let's be honest, if this iPad truly performs like the leaks suggest, that price might just be justified. Because think about it, a tablet that outperforms most laptops, lasts longer, looks better, and supports the most optimized tablet OS on the planet. It's not just another upgrade, it's evolution. What's more, the rumor mill also hints at Apple possibly introducing exclusive M5 iPad-only features, like instant wake multi-user support, and maybe even a new creator mode optimized for Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro Mobile. That means professional video editing and music production on a tablet. If true, that's not just convenient. It's revolutionary. So why does the M5 iPad Pro matter so much? Because it represents Apple's vision of the future, where power meets mobility and creativity has no limits. Every leak, every rumor, and every hidden code in iPadOS builds up to one simple truth. Apple wants the iPad to become your primary computer. The M5 iPad Pro isn't trying to be an iPad anymore. It's trying to be the future of computing in your hands. And here's the thing. Whether you love or hate Apple, you can't deny that when they make moves like this, the whole tech world follows. Samsung, Microsoft, and even Google will be watching closely because once Apple raises the bar, the entire industry scrambles to keep up. So, as we count down the months to October 2025, all eyes are on Cupertino. Will Apple's M5 iPad Pro truly live up to the hype? Will it finally deliver the laptop replacement experience users have been waiting for? Or will it be another incremental upgrade wrapped in glossy marketing? One thing's for sure. If history is any indication, Apple's next Pro tablet will once again redefine the standard for performance, display technology, and user experience in the tablet world. So stay tuned, because the next chapter of Apple's Silicon Revolution is just around the corner, and it starts with the M5 iPad Pro. If you're excited to see what Apple unveils next, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't blink, because the future of tablets is almost here, and it's looking faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever.